is the second Teaching and Learning Festival arranged by the Association of Muslim Schools, and we're proudly hosting it today. Real big interest from the schools because SEN is one of the biggest challenges the Muslim schools are facing today, but more importantly a way to network and speak to each other to find out how best we can support our children.
Let us commit to breaking stigma. Let us commit to building resilience, and let us commit to nurturing sound hearts and sound minds. We must all leave an impression in this world of the work that we do and the people that we impact and the lives that we change.
Important that we foster positive relationships with others. It's making sure that we're able to engage with the student, keep them included as much as possible.
I believe it's extremely important to raise awareness, acceptance, understanding, and to make sure we implement practical strategies to support autistic students.
We don't often think about how can all my students learn this? And it's thinking about targeting your teaching on how to correct those misconceptions. So it means that you plan for the kids at the bottom and it kind of helps all children.